We'll guide you through how to create a video in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where you want to add a video. Click on the task that needs the video, or create a new task by pressing the plus icon at the top of the task list. In the Task Details pane, you'll see an option to add attachments. Click on the paperclip icon labeled Attach File. From the drop-down menu, select Upload from Computer if the video is saved locally, or choose Attach from Google Drive if you're using cloud storage. After selecting your video file, Asana will display a preview in the task pane. You can add a description or comments in the task details to provide context or instructions about the video. If you want to notify team members, use the @mention feature in the comments section to tag them. Once everything is set up, click away from the task pane, and your changes will be automatically saved. You can now use Asana's sharing options to distribute the task with the video to your team. Remember, keeping your videos concise and relevant will help your team understand your project better. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.